Now let me introduce two types of the self-clear lights. Like this. One type is this. You can see here is a 90 degrees, like a holder, so it can direct hold in the panel in the back side. This type used in the back side of the panel. This, for example, this is a wood panel, and so in the back side, up and down side is lighting. So the lens is customized, and the lens here is 13 mm. The height is 18.6 mm. And let me show you. I turn on this one. You can see up and down size lighting for a panel. See, for example, this is a panel. Okay, and this up and down side lighting. So it is easy to insert. You don't need to make a channel, just direct put there and hang there. So this is the latest type of 31044 long linear light for back sides. There's another type, similar function, but thinner. I show you like this. It is thinner, and this type used for glass self light. Glass self light like this. You see, you can insert here and the back sides of the glass panel and glass and the back sides. So up and down side lighting, it will work like this. Now let me show you. Turn on the lights. So up and down side lighting, this two sides lighting. And this model is 31045, and the lens is 14 by 8 mm. It's very thin. You see, 8 mm only, and the white is 14. This is 14. So this for glass panel, glass self light.